Oh yeah. That's why you're in front, so you can knock all the thorns off the bushes.
What's the trick here? Just keep your feet up or what?
I'll keep your feet out to the side and just go nice and slow and easy. How bad is it?
Oh, it's just a poke.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is this one's going to be a little bit deeper. Just keep your feet out to the side, okay? So you can dab them if you need to. I would go up this way as to that way. Just make sure you hit that trail.
Not bad.
Good one. You might want to go through the water instead of that over there and just come right up this trail right here. Okay?
Yeah.
No, seriously.
How deep is that?
The water's not deep at all. Come right up this trail. Give me 5, bud. Maybe you should have gone on the other side.
Yeah, I think so.
You want to lead?
You know what? This is getting out of my experience levels.
Okay, we'll take it easy. I'll take it slow, okay? We'll get through it, Daniel. want to take this one or you want to take this one? I think this one gets into a little bit more technical stuff. We'll take this one. That gets into the creek a lot over there, so we're better off with this side here, up out of the creek bottom. Oh, easy. What'd you think?
What?
Huh? What'd you think?
I'm not liking it.
Yeah. That's
Really?
how you're going to get better.
Well, I understand that.
Huh?
I'm just saying, look how it's a lot more jungly this time than dry season.
Oh, gosh.
Whew.
So how's the difficulty level?
For me, a
Yeah.
10.
A 10?
Yeah, a 9. 9.
From when we came here in the dry season to now. Dry season, what? You know, your first time even.
This is much more difficult for me.
Yeah, you probably wouldn't have come back with me if we'd have come in here this time of the year. Your first time.
I'd never do it by myself. I would have been stuck there, I think.
Now you'd have got it out. Well, I still can't believe I wore my damn Crocs.
I can't either.
I can't. Jesus.
You didn't get cut yet? Unbelievable.
No, let me see. No, I'm tough as nails. Oh. Yeah, to think we could be right over there into that crap over there. We'd have probably gone in and out of that creek probably another 10 times by now if we hadn't have pulled over on this side.
I'm happy to get back safely and go see our beer lady. Seriously. I don't want to push it.
Hey, no problem.
I can wait for you.
Well, I want to go up here and see what the rest of it's like.
Yeah, I'm like at the verge of falling every 6 seconds.
Keep them feet out.
But I'm not going fast either, so I'm not going to hurt myself.
I think that may be part of your problem is you're not going fast enough for the momentum to keep you going.
Yeah, I do too.
I'm running most of this stuff in second gear.
Well, me too. Well, maybe not. Maybe I'm in first a lot. I hear another bike out there.
You might want to. There's most of them are little scooters with street tires.
I know that.
Little old ladies riding them. Just
Oh, he's coming this way.
Yeah, you might want to.
You can go right by here.
No, you might want to pull over up here and wait for me. Okay.
Okay.
You can probably get your bike turned around right there too. I won't be long. 5 minutes or so.
Yeah, he is coming our way.
All right.
Oh, he's good luck.
I got it. Right, I went that way. Little fish in here. Whoops. Lost one of my Crocs. Well, this gets into the area where I really don't think I want to continue. Then, you know, and I should have taken the other road trout. Would have got us into some pretty good bud bogs. It's all right.
Would I be able to do it?
Yeah, you could probably do it. No problem. It's only one creek crossing and then a rock crossing, which was a bitch. So, and that takes, believe it or not, that takes speed to go through that. I'm going to change batteries.